Hey everybody, it's your old pal Wood Doofus here. The time is far overdue for me to replace my sacrificial push block. As you can see, it's torn to shreds. Let me show you how I use this first. So the concept behind this is pretty simple. You just set your blade a little bit higher than the material you're cutting, and then you can use this push block, which should have a lip right here, to push things through it, and it'll catch a little bit as you go through, but you can replace this block every so often. As you can see, mine is torn to shreds and I need to replace this because this could get dangerous over time. So the concept is simple. I have my torn up one here. I have two pieces of scrap here, one block and one 1x4 block. And it might be wise to use plywood for this just because it might not chip as much as this common board. I have my 3 drills set up. You don't need 3 drills, but I'm going to make it easy on myself. First, the pilot holes. This handle right here is the only thing you really need to buy. It costs $5 or $6. That's why you use plywood. I found a piece of plywood and I drilled the pilot holes. The reason I say plywood is better is because it has alternating grain directions in the plies, and therefore it's less likely to split like that other one just did. And bada bing, bada boom, we're ready to cut into some more projects.